Hello friends, welcome to sixth session of online Java internship program. So in this session we'll learn how to display the record from the particular table. In the previous two sessions we learned how to insert the record and how to delete the record with the help of database connection. In this session we'll learn how to display all the record, all the stock details from the products table and display in JSP page. How to do that? Let me show. So let me start the server. So server, okay. So it is getting loading. Okay, server is started and go to your dashboard. Let me log in. Let me come from the login page. Okay, give admin. So here we have the new stock, delete stock that we already did in the previous sessions. So here we need to display the record. To display the record, we need to create one more page, one more JSP page. Go to your project, right click on your project and go to new. There we have to select other. So here we have to select in web, we have to select JSP page, click on new. So here I'll give the file name as view stock and finish. Okay, this is the new page. Here I'll go to index page, I'll copy these two lines, mark and BR, and I'll paste it here. Okay, and let me take center tag, center here. Within the center tag I'll take heading H3, so product details, and let me take table in the table tr tt td. So we have, so not td th, table heading. So we have 5 columns in a table: product ID, PID, name, descriptions, quantity and expire date. So let me give product ID td. I'll copy the same table heading, paste it 4 more times. Let me change name and description and quantity, and the last one is expire date, and let me close this tr. Okay, after this, so remember, no need to, here to display the record, no need to take another controller. We can display, we can write the complete database connection here itself in JSP page, and we can display the records. But one thing we have to remember, we have to know that we can't write the Java code directly here in this JSP page. But to write the Java page, means a Java code, so we need to use some tags, JSP tags. So within that tag only we have to write the controller. It means that Java connection. As I told in the beginning session itself, we will prefer .jsp page to develop dynamic applications because it supports both HTML content as well as the Java content. So that is why we won't prefer HTML, we will prefer JSP. HTML does not support Java code and as well as conditions. So if in case if we are designing dynamic applications, so definitely there are possibilities where we should include Java code in the front end page itself. So in such cases HTML won't support. That is why we prefer JSP here. So in this case we need to write database connection here in this page. So to write database connection we need to use the scriptlet tag. There are 5 tags are available in JSP. So one is scriptlet tag, declaration tag, directive tag, expression tag and comment tag. Comment is basically to comment the text. So let me explain one by one and let me use one by one tag, and I'll show how to use those tags and what is the purpose of those tags. So right now I have to write the database connection here in this page. To write the database connection we have to use scriptlet tag. So this is what we can say scriptlet tag. Start with less than symbol, percentage and percentage greater than. So this is the open tag, this is the close tag. Within this tag only we have to write the database connection. So what we need to do is we have to go to the new registration form. There we have to copy this code of lines or try and catch flag. I'll copy and I'll paste it here in this block. And remember, so the connection and statement need some package. So which package we should import? Connection package and the statement package. So here to import the package, we should not use script tag, we should use directive tag. Directive, how to start with directive tag? Less than percentage at symbol. To import the package, we need to use directive tag. Directive tag always start with percentage and at symbol. Page import java.sql.star. So for connection and statement, no need to import the packages separately. You can import this package. This package is enough for both the connection and statement classes. Okay, after this scriptlet is basically to write the connection or conditions, and a directive tag to import the packages. And next, after this, what we need to do is we need to change the query. Right now what we are doing is we are fetching the record from the table. To fetch the record, I'll remove these two lines. I'll take result set execute query, because execute query basically we are fetching the record, we are not doing any updation. It means that like deletion, update, insert, the kind of operation if we are doing, in such cases we should use execute update. So while fetching the record from the table, we should use execute query. Right now we are trying to display record from the table, for that reason we are using execute query. So here we need to write the query to fetch all the record from the table. Select star from products. So and that's it. This is the query we need to write. After that result set, why we use result set is this is an interface. So we have created an object here. So after executing this query, we have a set of results. To store set of result, we have an object. We should take an object. Here we have taken res object. In this res object we have a set of result. So after executing this query, so to display all those records one by one, we need to take while loop, while res dot next, res dot that next. Okay, next. So let me open flow bracket, it means that while loop, and here within this while loop only we have to print all the records. So to do that, see and observe carefully. So we have to close the scriptlet tag here. We have to close the scriptlet tag, percentage and close, and after that we have to open percentage. So remove this tag. So here this is the open tag and this is the closing tag. Within this tag we have to write this line of statement, and after that so we have to open here, we have to close here. So within this we have written few more lines of code. So let me, what is showing exception, try block is here, while block is here, type. Okay, so within this block of, within this section we have to write, we have to print the result. So let me take tr tag, tr td. Now we have to print the result. To print the result we have one more tag in our JSP. So expression tag, how to use the expression tag? Less than percentage is equal to. So basically expression tag is used to print the variable values. Right now we have to print all the data from the particular table. So we have all the result in res object, we have to fetch one by one and we have to print the result. So res, now res dot get string of 1. So it means that, let me close td, res result set object dot get string. In result set object we are fetching record from the index position 1. That means the column 1 having product id. Next we have to do the same procedure for the remaining rows. Res dot get string of 2, it means that second column, in second column we have product name. So I'll copy the same thing, I'll paste it few more times. 2, 3 is the description, fourth one is quantity, but quantity we mentioned in the type of integer, not in string. In such cases we have to use get int of get int of 4 because it is integer value. Okay, get int. It is showing error, syntax error. Percentage and get string of 5. Get int. Just a second, I'll check it out what the error we are getting. Syntax insert expression. Let me use string only. Okay. Still it is showing error. I don't know the mistake that I did. Okay. 3 4. Okay, let me save, and that's it. So we have written everything to display all the record from the table. So let me explain one more time. So I taken the table tr, the table heading, th indicates table heading. These are the 5 headings that we have in our table: product id, product name, description, quantity, and expire date. And right now, so as I told, no need to take an extra controller or servlet to display all the records. Here itself, in the JSP page itself, we can write a Java code and we can display the record. But remember, to write Java code in JSP, we should not write the code directly in JSP page. So there is a procedure. We need to use the tags, particular tag to write the Java code. Here in JSP we have 5 types of tags. So the first type is scriptlet tag. A scriptlet is basically, so how to start a scriptlet tag: less than percentage and percentage close than. Within this scriptlet tag, whatever the code, whatever the Java code that we want to write, a database connection we want to write, we can write here itself within this tag. So we have written the Java code. After that, I close this tag. So here I executed this query: select star from product. So I written all the product details from the table and stored in res object, and we need to display all the record from the res object with the help of table tag. So here I close the tag again. So here again I'll open the tag and I'll close the tag. Within this code segment, within this segment I'll written some of the code. It means that catch block. And here I taken expression tag. Expression tag is basically to print the variable values. Here is an object, res object. In res object we have a set of records. To fetch all the records and to display the record, we need to use this expression tag. Res, sorry, less than percentage is equal to res dot get the string of 1 indicates the first column. And so for connection and statement, we need to import the packages. To import the packages, we need to use this directive tag. So directive tag start with less than percentage at the symbol, basically directive tag to import the packages. And that's it. And stop the server and start the server again. And let me check what the result we will get. Okay, server is started. Go to your application. So let me give username, password. So here view stack, if I click on this view stack, okay, we have not yet provided the link. So go to our dashboard. We have to provide the link, right? So here we need to mention anchor href is equal to where the controller should go to view stock.jsp. And let me close anchor tag here. Okay, save the file, go to the project dashboard and click on view stock. Okay, so it is showing the product details. So right now we have only one set of row, so that is why it is showing only one set of row. And go back to your dashboard. Let me insert few more product details. product details 999. I'll give some other details and quantity. It will be around 10. Expiry date 10/12/2021 and register. So let me register one more product 666. Product name, description, quantity, and 2021. Okay, register. Okay, and go back to your dashboard and click on view stock. So now it is showing all the product details which are available in the particular table, and let me use some border for the table. I'll go to the table, border is equal to 2. I'll give save and go and refresh. Okay, border is not applying. Why? Dashboard, sorry, we should not use border in dashboard, we should use in view stock. Sorry, so go to view stock. Here we need to mention the border is equal to 2. Refresh. So this is how exactly it look like, and this is how we can display all the records from the particular table. And that's it for this session. Thank you so much.